Hey there, problem solvers, it's me, Christopher, and this week on Problem Solved, I want to let you know about all the biggest food holidays coming up this month. July 6th is National Fried Chicken Day, a fantastic day for everyone who loves the crispy, savory goodness of fried chicken. This day is all about celebrating one of the most popular comfort foods enjoyed in a variety of forms across different cultures. It's a perfect day to gather friends and family and enjoy a delicious meal that brings everyone together. Fried chicken is great on its own, but it's more fun with a sauce. If you love cane sauce, here's how you can make a version of your own at home. Start with some mayo, a little bit of ketchup. Don't make me say it, don't make me say it. A few dashes of Worcestershire, a little bit of garlic salt, or be fancy and add in some fresh garlic. I'm adding a little smoked paprika, but you could do some cayenne for a little heat or even some hot sauce. And don't skimp on the black pepper. More. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. Simple as that. This is where you can adjust the flavors and make it your own. If you're a fan of chicken and waffles, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna start by melting some butter and add in some maple syrup. Just a dash of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. It's that sweet flavor of chicken and waffles without needing to pull out a waffle iron. If you're looking for sweet and heat, this one's for you. I'm gonna heat up just a little bit of honey over low heat, add those peppers and the seeds for heat. You can also use cayenne or crushed red chili flake. When it starts to bubble, just let it steep for a few minutes and then turn the heat off and let it cool slightly. These are great for snacking, used as a topping or condiment, and a tiny splash of apple cider vinegar. 3 quick sauces to enhance your fried chicken. National French Fry Day is the second Friday in July. Get it? Friday? A day dedicated to celebrating one of the most popular and beloved side dishes around the world. French fries. Whether you prefer them thin and crispy or thick and fluffy, this day is the perfect excuse to indulge in your favorite style of fries. So go ahead and celebrate National French Fry Day with a delicious serving of fries. Here's the secret for crispier French fries at home. Good fries start with good potatoes. Idaho russet potatoes are the standard. I like the homemade touch, they don't need to be perfectly peeled. While you're cutting your potatoes, keep them in water to prevent them from browning. Then I give them a good rinse in cold water. You can do this in a colander, I just use the same bowl. The goal here, get rid of as much starch as you can. You want clear water, no cloudiness. I'm gonna cover them with some fresh, clean water, add a good glug of vinegar, and let these hang out for 10 minutes. Your fries need to be dried really well. I use a spinner. You can also use a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. Now these are ready no matter how you're cooking them. Whether in oil, an air fryer, or the oven, cook them twice. Once at a lower temp to cook through, and then increase the temp to crisp them up. I like to cook these on a rack and keep everything in a single layer. And whatever method you're using, you may have to work in batches. For me, today, it's oven fries. I cooked both of these the exact same way, except for this batch, I didn't soak. The unsoaked batch is a little tough and mushy, while the soaked batch is nice and crispy and tender on the inside. It really makes a difference. Soaking is the way to go. Orange Chicken Day is July 15th, celebrating a beloved dish known for its sweet, tangy, and savory flavor. Orange chicken is a popular dish in American Chinese cuisine, featuring crispy fried chicken pieces coated in a vibrant orange-flavored sauce. This day is a great opportunity to enjoy orange chicken from your favorite Chinese restaurants or try making it at home. Of course, when it comes to orange chicken, there's one place that is the orange standard. Look how full and beautiful the orange chicken is. Whether you're a longtime fan or trying it for the first time, Orange Chicken Day is the perfect excuse to savor this delicious dish. You can make your own orange sauce at home, and it only takes some real simple ingredients. You'll need a saucepan over medium heat. I'm gonna add just a touch of oil, a little minced ginger and garlic. I'm gonna add some soy sauce, some brown sugar, and some orange juice. I'm gonna also add some vinegar. You can use rice wine vinegar or white vinegar. I like heat, so I add a little chili flake or chili paste. Of course, this is orange sauce. You can use concentrate, your favorite juice, or fresh squeezed. I follow the citrus rule. Whenever you use the juice, use the zest. Next, I'm making a slurry out of cornstarch and water. This mixture makes it thick and glossy, so I add a little bit at a time. You may not need all of it. Once it's thickened up, it's ready to go. I'm gonna add a touch of sesame oil. I'm taking a shortcut and using popcorn chicken, or you can make your own. I'm gonna add a little bit of our sauce, toss everything around. Now that's starting to look like the orange chicken that everybody loves. That looks absolutely delicious, and it came together in minutes. I love it. Orange, you glad I said chicken? National Hot Dog Day is the third Wednesday in July, a day to celebrate one of the most iconic American foods, the hot dog. This day falls during National Hot Dog Month, highlighting how deeply the hot dog is ingrained in American culture, often enjoyed at baseball games, barbecues, and picnics. On National Hot Dog Day, you can find people grilling up their favorite kind of hot dog, topped with everything from ketchup and mustard to more unique toppings like chili, cheese, onions, and pickles. Many vendors and restaurants might also offer special deals or promotions to join in the celebration. It's a fun day to enjoy a classic treat that's loved by both kids and adults alike. So grab your favorite topping and enjoy a delicious hot dog. So I heard a tip, you don't do the toppings last, you do them first so that they don't fall out. Boom! I did the toppings first. Look, they won't fall out. They're trapped. Hot dogs are such an iconic part of American culture. From cinema to stadiums and even gas stations, it feels like every day's hot dog day. This is not the universe for me. I was not made for this universe. You can pretty much put everything on a hot dog. I like to put the condiments everywhere. That way when I take a bite, I get it all at once. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. What are your favorite toppings for a hot dog? $1.50? Hot dog and a drink still? Unbeatable deal. National Ice Cream Day is the third Sunday of July, a day all about celebrating everyone's favorite frozen treat, ice cream. This day falls right in the middle of summer, making it the perfect time to cool down with a scoop or two. I think it's gone. We've missed our opportunity. So we're celebrating National Ice Cream Day, and I heard the ice cream truck, and I was like, we gotta go! Yeah, we missed it. Next time, we'll catch the ice cream truck for sure. Ice cream shops often have special flavors or discounts to mark the occasion. Whether you prefer classic vanilla, rich chocolate, or something more adventurous like salted caramel or mango, it's a great day to indulge in your favorite flavor. So treat yourself to a cone, cup, or sundae and enjoy National Ice Cream Day to its fullest. For an ice cream party, it just takes 2 ingredients to make magic shell at home. I'm gonna start with about a cup of chocolate chips and about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. We're gonna microwave in 20-second increments until melted, giving a good mix between cycles. Melty goodness. You don't wanna overdo it. The residual heat of the bowl should melt and help combine everything. Look how glossy it is. It's got that Charlie sheen. Just make sure everything's combined and let cool slightly. 1 scoop. If your scoop's too big for the cone, you're not trying hard enough. It's not an ice cream party unless things get messy. It's shelling, it's magic shelling! Shellified just that quick. And for my friends who are sensitive to milk, celebrate with a non-dairy option. In Hollywood, they say never work with animals, children, or ice cream. July 30th is National Cheesecake Day, a day dedicated to celebrating one of the most luxurious and creamy desserts, cheesecake. This delightful dessert comes in many flavors and styles, from the classic New York-style cheesecake, which is rich and has a dense, smooth, and creamy consistency, to lighter versions or ones infused with fruit, chocolate, or even savory ingredients. Bakeries and restaurants often participate in National Cheesecake Day by offering special promotions or introducing new and exciting flavors. This is the perfect day for cheesecake lovers to indulge in their favorite dessert, try new variations, or even bake their own. New York-style cheesecake is a little complicated with a water bath, so I'm making some easy mini cheesecakes. I hope mine turn out this pretty. It's just a simple crust and the cheesecake filling. Sometimes when you have a favorite dessert, you want to find some shortcuts, a way to make it quick and easy with the same delicious flavor. That's this recipe. Individual cheesecakes to satisfy that craving, and it comes together so quickly. The crust needs a head start, and now the filling, just a few standard pantry ingredients. I can't resist. Every time I use this, I go, whip it good. Why do graham crackers smell so good? So easy. This is kind of therapeutic. In you go. Perfect way to make fluffy cheesecake in an individual portion. And add a topping like chocolate or caramel with a little flaky sea salt or even lemon curd. National Avocado Day is July 31st, a day celebrating the versatile and healthy avocado. This fruit is loved for its creamy texture and rich nutty flavor, making it a favorite ingredient in dishes like guacamole, salads, and even some desserts. On National Avocado Day, you can find special promotions at restaurants and grocery stores, encouraging people to enjoy avocados in various ways. So grab some avocados and celebrate their health benefits and delicious flavor on July 31st. Oh! Look how perfect that is. Now this is the beauty queen of avocados. Not a blemish in sight. Here's an old trick to encourage your avocados to ripen quicker. If it's a little too firm, place it in a paper bag and let it hang out with a banana or an apple. The next day or even overnight, you should notice a difference. On the flip side, if you want to keep these firmer longer, keep them away from other produce. Nice and ripe. And I thought I'd dress for the occasion too. Avocado's one of those ingredients where you have to plan ahead. If you're making a recipe the day of, Check those avocados and make sure they're ripe when you get them from the store. If an avocado's a little too soft, try mixing it into a smoothie. Avocado's so delicious, you don't really need anything. Sometimes I just do a little salt, maybe lemon or lime. Keep it simple. Celebrating National Avocado Day with National Guacamole Day. Some people like their avocados really smooth. I like a little texture. Whenever you're storing leftover avocado, try to keep the pit with it. It'll help it stay greener longer. I feel like we celebrate avocados every day. So many tasty days in this month, but no matter which one is your summer favorite, I hope you enjoy a fun and delicious July. No mess. Dip and scrub. That's work. Fixed. What a mess. So much better. Look at all the dirt coming out of there. Ooh, that sizzle sound means clean.